Hey everyone, Al Aramis from Pro Auto Care with another session of Pro Knows. Brake noise. People complain about it. We hear it all the time. There's a couple of different things that can cause brake noise. Brake noise comes from not only brake rotors and the brake pads that are on a vehicle. Sometimes the material's pretty hard. Sometimes they got really hot and they start getting dark. Hardens the material here, this stuff starts making some noise, okay? That's a problem. But also sometimes they make noise because they're supposed to make noise. What? Well, they have these little indicators that go on here, little slides that the pads go on for the brake hardware. On some of these, they actually have a little tab. That tab is designed to rub against the rotor, squeal and tell you, get your brakes checked. Don't ignore the noise. Be proactive, come in and get your brakes checked.